My routine. Hello, I am Joanna. Usually from Monday to Friday, get up at 4 13 a.m. Then I shower at 4 45. I dress and come back at 5. Then I make breakfast at 5 15. 11 my house at 6:15 a.m. and go to work on motorbike. Then I walk and how and it have to get to the school. That is my place or work. I start at 8 and end at 2 p.m. Then I get to the house at 4:40. I watch TV for an your will. I rest. Then I organize the work materials. I have dinner as a family at 7 and finally I advance work from college and go to bed and 10:15 at night. On Saturday, I get up at 6 a.m. Then study from 7 at a.m. To 2 p.m. and the perform the house traders. On Sunday, I get up at 8 a.m. Breakfast at 8 15. Then I back and get out scene at 9 a.m. And share with my family the rest of the day watching TV, listening to the music, or we go to the park to add ice, cream, and finally I go to it at 10 at night. Thank you.